Hello, I just wanted to share with you that I will be participating at the 16th Eurasian Aesthetic Plastic Surgery Congress that will take place in Istanbul, June 19th to the 21st. This is an outstanding plastic surgery meeting. I think it's one of the best meetings in aesthetic plastic surgery all around. We all know Turkey for their outstanding aesthetic plastic surgery with some of the most creative plastic surgeons in the world. And Istanbul is really one of the meccas of aesthetic surgery worldwide. This meeting is organized by the Turkish Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. I want to thank the President, Dr. Erhan Eryılmaz, and the Scientific Affairs Chair, Professor Ersoy Konas, and the rest of the board of directors for their kind invitation. I will be talking about different techniques for facial rejuvenation, definitely my direct deep plane facelift and my dual plane deep reduction neck lift, along with other techniques for full facial rejuvenation. So again, don't forget the 16th Eurasian Aesthetic Plastic Surgery Congress in Istanbul this June from the 19th to the 21st. I hope to see you there.